In this video, I will be showing you the complete guide to redeem the promotion code in Monopoly Go game. For that, make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into the video. While Monopoly Go retains the core mechanics of the classic board game, it's added new features and mechanics to make it an engaging and rewarding experience for players, from regular free dice slings to the premium rewards program called Tycoon Club. There's something for everybody. Like most mobile games, Monopoly Go lets play together, redeem exclusive reward codes for even more surprises. So how you can redeem a reward code? Unlike dice links in Monopoly Go that can be used to redeem free roll, reward codes are special alphanumeric codes that can be redeemed to unlock unique in-game benefits. They are a great way to enhance your Monopoly Go experience and unlock exclusive prizes. So, if you have been invited to Monopoly Go Tycoon Club, you can access the Tycoon Club menu to enter the reward code. By typing the Tycoon Club, you will be directed to a web page where you will find the option to input code and claim your exclusive reward. So the other method is, after purchasing the board game and receiving your reward code, follow these steps to redeem it. Visit the official Monopoly Go website, navigate to the reward code section, enter the reward code into the designated field, hit the go button. If the reward code you have entered is valid, the reward will be automatically added to your Monopoly Go game account. So that's how it goes. I hope you find this video helpful.